What's poppin', boys and girls? What is going on? Back at it again with another vid. It's your girl Lovely.Lids, and one word, y'all already know what's coming. Y'all already know what it is and what's going on, and you know me of all people, I'm not gonna steer you wrong. This is an unboxing slash wig review, like, only because, you know, I really don't typically do videos like this, but I just had to put y'all on game because I don't know if y'all been living under a rock or if y'all haven't seen the redo and repeat of all these videos on TikTok, but it's only one word. It's Black Girl Magic hair, and this is the hair that's literally sweeping the nation. Like, on my For You page, this is all I've been seeing about the fantabulous real glueless wig with the pre-plucked like pre-plucked sections of the hair that makes it look so natural, and you just have the elastic band, you just throw it on and call it a day. So I had to try it for myself. So a couple details that I got the 180 density hair, Malaysian hair to be exact, 18-inch, and I got the glueless wig. So y'all, and when I say it is fire, baby, oh, it's fire. First of all, let's get into it. Let's get into the close-ups of this, okay? So this is her, this is she is doing the damn thing. Hold on, let me take her out the package so I can really see what she's talking about, because this is amazing. Hold on. Ooh, wow. Yeah, y'all, I cannot make this up. Like, this Malaysian hair, I see why people go crazy over the Malaysian. Like, this hair is so soft and it's not tangly. It doesn't smell. I don't know about y'all, but every time I get a wig, it always got a smell, and this does not have a smell. Like, it looks so natural. Look at that. Get into the stiff air. Yes. But no, for real. So let's get into it. So like I said, y'all, it's just so natural. Like, look at that. It is already pre-plucked. The hairline is already pre-plucked. It is beautiful. Has a beautiful middle part. Very natural. This although my actual hair is a 4, this is so beautiful. It has a nice natural shine to it where it doesn't look fake or, like I said before, stiff at all. Like, look at that. Like, she is literally eating this bust down middle part down. Y'all better stop playing. I'm telling y'all, I never steer y'all wrong, because I tell you a joke, but baby, I never tell you. So yeah, like I said, I got the 18-inch. She is still long. Like, she is still giving body, and she's still very full. You know what I'm saying? I don't really like the like super long stuff, because I be on the go, I be on the move. But you know, yeah, she's still giving me what I need to give. Now obviously I have the goddess braids in, so I cannot try it on for you guys unless you guys want me to put it on over this, which I don't think would be cute. So I have a demonstration. Okay, I'm still gonna put it on my hands so y'all can see you know, the lace and how it shows up on my skin, and then I'm also going to show like the makeup coverage, like, you know what I'm saying, just to blend it in a little bit. But we're gonna try both because she is giving, like, it's so natural. Look at that. Like, baby is not even trying that hard. And then before I put the foundation on, let's just look at it on my hand, on my skin. Oh my god, it's crazy. Hold on, y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Okay, look at it. Get into it. Focus, please. Focus, focus, focus. I don't know if it's, I think it's focusing. Just look at that. I know y'all see it. I have not plucked anything. This is straight out the package. Like, look at that, baby. This is my hand, and she is here. This is where she is. Amazing. So yeah. Oh, my battery's about to die, so we're gonna hurry this up. Yeah, we're gonna hurry this up. Let me get my foundation. So yeah, y'all, hopefully my camera doesn't die, but got the foundation. I'm gonna blend that in with my finger. Okay, nice little coverage. If y'all want to know what that is, I will put in the link in my description. Y'all, so literally, if y'all are not getting a picture, you literally could just throw this on, and if you really want the coverage for it to look natural, just throw a little bit of your foundation on, and boom, y'all, straight scalp. Straight scalp. Yeah, but like I said, my camera's about to die. But thank you guys for watching this video. One thing y'all need to know is y'all need to get with Black Girl Magic Hair, the best glueless wig out right now. And stay tuned for more of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.